The fuck was that? Oh, what's up, buddy?
Caden loves being my cameraman. Yay!
Yeah, but that nigga said, hey, bro, damn, stop playing, man. Hey.
Like a box of chocolate, so a Glock holding 30, your hollow. So better watch who you hang around, my nigga, cause I think that every one of your squad can switch. DB, SB, 3272, nigga, that's my pod, nigga.